In this video, I'm showing application of Morcell bag. Morcell bag comes in a plastic tube which can be easily inserted through a 10mm port. The mouth end of the bag is rigid. Once the bag is inserted inside the abdomen, the plastic can be pulled out. There is a white string attached to the mouth end of the bag and a green color thread attached to the tail end of the bag. Once the bag is opened, the specimen can be placed inside. The tail end of the bag is opened with a grasper and it is pulled out through a primary port. With the white string attached to the mouth end of the bag, the entire mouth end is removed through the 10mm port. And then it is fanned out so that the morcellator can be inserted through it. In this case, I'm inserting a grasper which is inside the bag. The tail end of the bag has a small hole through which the primary port is inserted and a light lead and the carbon dioxide tubing is attached to it. That creates a pneumo bag. Thank you.